Apart from aesthetic pleasing, straighter teeth have many more benefits. As properly aligned teeth are easier to clean, reducing the risk of cavity, plaque buildup, and gum disease. Correct alignment also helps in proper chewing and speaking, reducing the strain on the jaw and risk of issues like jaw joint disorder. For children, early orthodontic intervention will guide the development of the jaws and the teeth. And for adult, basic treatment can address the alignment issue and boost the confidence with a dazzling smile. Here are some lifetime adjustments you need to do to care for your braces better. Avoid hard and sticky foods like candies, nuts and popcorn, etc. as it may damage your bracket. Instead, use soft, cooked foods, yogurts, mashed potato, etc. If you want to eat fruits and vegetables, cut them into small pieces so that you can easily chew and have less discomfort. Maintain good oral hygiene, cut down the sugary food as this can lead to cavities if not removed properly. Hope it helps. Are you struggling to find the correct oral hygiene routine while wearing braces? Don't worry, here are some easy steps that you can follow. Brush your teeth with Ortho Brush. These are soft bristle brushes especially designed to clean your teeth around the bracket. Use tiny proxy and interdental brushes to clean the hard areas to reach out between your teeth and the wire. Don't forget to floss, as you can go for water flosser as it makes cleaning between your teeth much more convenient. Use a fluoride mouthwash as it will help to keep your teeth healthy during braces treatment. The cost of the braces and the aligners depend upon varying factors such as complexity of your case, type of treatment, and the expertise of the orthodontist. Here are general idea what you might expect. On an estimate, the metal braces cost you around 25,000 to 60,000 and tooth color bracket called ceramic braces cost you around 40,000 to 80,000. If you are looking for those trendy clear aligners, ranges go from 90,000 to 2 lakhs. As the price can vary, the brand of the aligners you choose. Want to take better care of your braces? Follow these simple food restrictions to protect your braces from damage. Try to avoid hard and sticky food like candies, nuts, chocolate, pizza, etc. as they can exert undue pressure on the bracket and the wire and can cause damage. Also avoid drinks with high sugar content like sodas and sweetened beverages as they can contribute to decay your teeth if not cleaned properly. Hope it helps. To know more, read the caption given below. Share with your loved ones. Thank you.